Hi, it's Samy Star in Granada Hills, California. We hired Better Together Builders to help us remodel our kitchen and laundry room.
We found BTB through a local Facebook group and contacted them immediately. I got a call back right away, and then we got to meet Ito.
After we found and contacted BTB, we had our first initial meeting with Ito, and we didn't understand a lot of the processes as this was our first time going through any kind of renovation, and he helped explain everything to us probably several times because I think we asked the same questions a few times, but he was very patient with us and just understanding of our needs after we discussed them.
Yeah, and most importantly, he saw the vision. So I had my inspiration pictures that I shared with Ito, and with that and just conversations, he was able to put a rendering together, and we started talking about materials, and he somehow was able to help us get our vision to reality. We wanted to open up the space, make it look fresh and airy, and I think we accomplished it together.
Construction process. Wow, people think this is a very stressful part of the whole remodeling deal, but with BTB with us, they made the process easy, and their whole crew was very professional. They made sure to tend to our needs. We have an asthmatic child. They actually built a wall where the temporary wall where the construction area is, just to help eliminate as much dust and particles as possible in the remaining free areas of the house. It was just a pleasant experience. I don't even know if you can say that together with construction, but it was as pleasant as it can be. At the end, when we saw the final product, we were amazed at the end result. All the details were as expected. Everything was tended to. Any small crack, anything was fixed. The place looked perfect, and all our friends, colleagues, the people that we invited to enjoy our new kitchen, they all commented that, wow, this should be in a magazine.
Yeah, it absolutely exceeded our expectations.
It did.
Ito and the team were just fabulous, and we look forward to the next project.
We would absolutely recommend anybody to go with BTB and Ito and his crew, or whoever's available at the time.